Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom, count your chickens before they hatch, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to make plans based on future events that may or may not happen. The man had a really good interview and feels that he is a shoo-in for the job. He wants to have a party with his friends to celebrate his successful interview. I'd like to organize something in the local bar tonight. Let's invite everyone. I don't think you should count your chickens before they hatch. Wait until they call you back before we celebrate. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The student left it too late to ask his crush to the school dance. He assumed she would wait for him to ask. I've missed out on my chance, as she's going with someone else now. I shouldn't have counted my chickens before they hatched. The teenager has been begging his dad to take his car out for a spin tomorrow evening. He is due to sit his driving test in the morning. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. You haven't got your driving license yet, and you might be disappointed. The parents saved for their child's college tuition since he was born. They were adamant he was going to Harvard. I'm sorry I didn't get accepted to Harvard, Mom and Dad. You shouldn't have counted your chickens before they hatched. On the bright side, now you have a lot of extra money. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. Some office staff started to celebrate the deal that was nearly confirmed. The manager warned, "Let's not count our chickens before they hatch. There's still some work left to do here to get it over the line." The company owner invested in some new computer software. He is using funds from the company's emergency funding and plans to replace it when the money comes in from the deal they've nearly closed. His advisor tells him, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch. We might need that emergency funding." The old colleagues discussed the company they used to work for. They went bankrupt because the owner expanded the premises to a larger one on the basis he would receive a cash injection. Unfortunately, it never came. Wow, talk about counting your chickens before they hatch. Where did you hear the expression, count your chickens before they hatch? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.